Hey, guys, welcome back to Advanced Marketing Tricks, the channel that's all about taking your marketing game to the next level. Today, we've got a really exciting challenge for you that will help you boost your online presence in just 30 days. Body. Now, we all know that marketing can be a tough game, but with the right tactics, you can really make a big impact and stand out from the crowd. In this 30-day challenge, we're going to be giving you daily tasks and tips to help you improve your social media, email marketing, content creation, and more. Day 1. On day 1, we'll be focusing on your social media profiles. We'll show you how to optimize your profiles for maximum impact, and give you tips on how to create engaging content that will attract followers and increase engagement. Day 2. On day 2, we'll move on to email marketing. We'll show you how to craft the perfect email, build an email list, and create effective email campaigns that will convert subscribers into customers. Day 3. On day 3, we'll be talking about content creation. We'll give you tips on how to create content that resonates with your target audience, and show you how to repurpose your content for maximum exposure.